Okay, so move it down a little bit so you can see. So for this tray, I just decided to go all tulips. So I'm going to pack them in nice and tight. And the thing with tulips, around here, I always have these voles that come up through the ground. So I think with these type of trays, because they're easy to make, easy to carry, relatively inexpensive to do, and you can get quite a few in here. This might be the start of a new tulip trays. Yay! So I think I need some more. I'm even putting the side looking tulips in here. Now these tulips have been in the refrigerator getting chilling for about, I would say, 4 months. And I did get these from the big box store when they were on sale. Although I must admit, a couple of bags I bought at regular price, but it's all good. So yeah, okay. So these were just leftover ones, that tulip bulbs that I had that I was going to do hydroponically, but I decided to go ahead and put them in my newfangled growing trays. And these I'm going to sit outside and let Mother Nature work her magic. Cool, right? So let me put a little more soil. Once again, you don't want to make it too deep for tulips, apparently. Because I made that mistake once before. So we're just going to sprinkle just enough to cover them. And then one thing I think I'm really going to like about these is that they're cute and they're pretty, and I made them myself. So that's it for now. I'm going to take these outside, let Mother Nature do her thing, and then I'll show you an update later. Thanks for watching.